Rejuvenating ponds in rural areas is much more than just a water conservation measure. It can transform entire communities. It is vital for ensuring water security, ecological balance, and sustainable livelihoods. Ponds act as natural water reservoirs, recharging groundwater, supporting irrigation, and reducing dependence on borewells. They also help mitigate floods and droughts, improve soil fertility, and create a favorable microclimate. Restored ponds enhance biodiversity, support fisheries, and strengthen rural economies by increasing agricultural productivity. Socially, they foster community ownership, reduce migration, and provide common spaces for cultural and social activities. In a sense, pond rejuvenation is not just about reviving water bodies, it is about reviving rural life, ensuring sustainable development, and securing the future for generations to come. Today, we talk about one such project of Uttarakhand administration. The area of Udham Singh Nagar in Uttarakhand's Terai region possesses ample fertile land for agricultural purposes. Due to water-intensive farming practices and extensive presence of an industrial belt in the region, the area has witnessed an alarming depletion in groundwater levels. As the district resides within the Terai region, all rivers passing the district have their discharge zones within the district itself, leading to large silt deposits. Convincing farmers and villagers to relinquish encroached land for pond creation was a big hurdle. There was excessive rate of pollution and garbage dumping in village ponds. Manrega wages were not attractive enough to encourage workers to participate. Farmers were relying on tube wells at the cost of harvesting rainwater. The purpose of this initiative was to rejuvenate ponds in the district and provide employment opportunities through the same. An exhaustive plan was prepared to identify and demarcate encroached ponds in the district. Use of technology in demarcation and mapping and employment was provided to local village women and SHG members under NRLM scheme, convinced male farmers to relinquish encroached lands. The area surrounding the pond was additionally developed for fruit tree plantation and subsequently handed over to the NRLM SHGs for livelihood creation. Unattractive Manrega wage rates were resolved by leveraging SHGs to construct ponds. Out of the 550 ponds identified for restoration, 351 have been rejuvenated so far, with fisheries also being developed in the rejuvenated ponds for further livelihood creation. The project resulted in an estimated rainwater conservation of 552 million litres, while the additional irrigational capacity generated was 22,113 hectares. Witnessing the success of the initiative, representatives of several villages who were not a part of the initial land demarcation exercise have reached out to the district administration to carry out pond rejuvenation work in their localities as well. With groundwater depletion being a major challenge across India, this innovation can be adapted in various other regions. So that's all for now. We will bring you another innovation from another district administration in the coming episodes.